How to check sent request on Instagram. Just find the Instagram icon on your phone and give it a tap to open the app. Look for your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Give that a tap, and it'll take you to your profile page. Now, look for those 3 little lines up at the top right corner. Tap on those. That opens up a menu. Scroll down a bit in that menu until you see your activity. Tap on that option. You'll see a few options here, but what you're looking for is download your information. Give that a tap. Tap on download or transfer information. Now, it might ask you what kind of information you want to download. Just select some of your information. Scroll down a bit and you'll see followers and following. Tap on that and then tap next. Double check everything, then hit next again, and finally tap on create files. After a little bit, your data will be ready for you to download. Once it's done, open up the file on your phone. Inside that file, you'll find a list of your sent follow requests on Instagram. That's where you can see who you've requested to follow. That's it. You've successfully checked your sent follow requests on Instagram. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to check your sent follow requests on Instagram. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching.